been more than Daddy. Happy for everything. I just made your coffee for you.
Thank you, baby.
It's hot.
Yep, it is. Thanks, baby girl.
I have to make eggs.
What are you making? Are you making Daddy breakfast too? Oh my God, what are you making me?
It's a secret.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'll wait and see.
The kids want to do breakfast, so we're doing a scrambled egg with lobster. Alright, hold on.
So guys, Daddy decided to do cloud egg. So he just separate the white with the yolk.
Yeah, you got it. Put it right.
Put the yolk there. Okay. People try to do this. It's so good. I never teach him. I don't know how to do it. Easy. Just go to Google. And he might teach you a lesson. Okay. But then guys, I'm going to dice up the lobster for Dad. I just want to do something.
Harry,
Look
that's
at
what's important, Harry.
And you can see it's kind of gutted there, but not close enough. So guys, I'm putting the black pepper in the lobster. Pass it to Bob. Pass it. It's too little.
Put the salt again.
Don't not that much. Why isn't it coming out? Pass it. It's not coming out. You know if Daddy don't like salt. He likes salt, but he don't like black pepper. Me, pepper. Yeah, thanks, Mommy. Nah. Daddy's barely even putting it on.
I know how to beat eggs. You clearly don't.
This is what you're doing.
So Dylan just finished with the bacon here.
No, I'll make more.
So Dylan, you have these sausages to do here. Bacon, Ari. So Ari just pour some oil here and she's putting in her. What you
Cloud
put?
eggs.
So Ariana is making cloud eggs.
But this never come out like a cloud. It's still liquidy.
So let me see if we can beat it up fast. Come on, put it in. This is just the white of the eggs, they separate here. Just shake up everybody and do what it's supposed to be done. So now be careful.
Oh, thank you, God. Okay. I look at the look in the sun.
To make a nice cloud egg for Daddy here. I'm bringing lobster. This is the yolk. This is the yolk you have here. And you want to add the lobster with it. Just add the lobster with it. And then jumping 6 feet from the bacon here.
I know I'm a good chef. Better than you.
Argument between the chefs here. Argument between the chefs.
Take some of the bacon fat and you could drop it in here. Take some bacon fat. This will be so nice with lobster. Bacon fat.
That does sound so good.
Nice, you see? To give it a nice lobstery, bacony flavor. I don't know guys that thing earlier. So when you finish?
Look.
But Ali, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna give Daddy one. But you see, me and Ariana and Dylan already ate some. Yeah, so we're gonna give it to him. Daddy only allowed one.
Like it that crispy one, of course.
It had to.
Thank you, good.
What's the comment? I don't know.
I think it's done. So you just have to take all these things now.
Could I trouble you for another coffee, my love? Thank you. Just 3/4, okay, baby? Thanks.
So this is the, so here we have the cloud eggs that Darius made.
For you, mommy.
They actually look like cloud eggs?
You look at the plate right there. Look at the plate right there. The silver plate right there.
Bacon done by Dylan. It's enough for presentation.
Dad, look your breakfast. Some tomatoes, cloud eggs, yolks with the lobster, bread,
Nice.
bacon, and your sausages.
Very nice. How do you get a fork? Thank you. Oh God, this sausage looking good.
Yeah, because I get pop and burn. I just leave it.
Mmm. Cloud eggs, lobster. You try these cloud eggs. I've never had cloud eggs before. Tastes good. Cloud eggs. Piece of lobster. So, to all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day. To all the mothers out there acting like fathers, happy Father's Day. And I know from my perspective, I'm glad to have my wife to help me be a better father. Check out my meal my kids made me. Very good, so I'm gonna eat that. I really appreciate my children. Thank you guys. Thanks very much. This is a wonderful meal. Happy Father's Day, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for your support. We love all yous. So have a great day. We're out.